The tough spot usually is to see if we can keep that underneath us and roll all together so we don't twist that spine at all. Hey now, you a side sleeper?
Yes.
Yeah. Right side?
Usually.
Yeah. Fortune teller. Just kidding.
It's like you know.
I mean, I was pretty confident, but at the end of the day, I did have a 50-50 chance. So.
Truth be told, I could have been like left and been like, that's what I thought too.
You know, I never thought of it that way, but you're not wrong. Here we go. Oh yeah. A day changer for sure.
That's the one that scares everybody. That was my favorite.
Dude, it's hands down my favorite.